Hello children, in this video we are going to study Mathematics chapter 11 exercise 11.5 on page number 240, question number 1. State which of the following are equations with a variable. Give reason for your answer and you also have to identify the variable from the equations with a variable. Now children, we know what is equation. Equation has left hand side, right and also right hand side, and it has equal to sign in between. Again I am repeating children, what is an equation? Equation has two sides, left hand side, right hand side, and it has equal to sign in between, that is known as equation. Now children, in this question we have to identify which of the following are equations with variable, and also we have to give reasons for these answers, and also we have to identify the variable from the equation. Now let's begin. Now children, if you come to a part, you find that there is left hand side, there is right hand side, and there is equal to sign in between. So children, this is equation. Let's see whether it is having variable in it. Yes, there is also a variable x here. So we will write children here, this is an equation. Now children, you have to find out what is the variable here. Variable is x here in this equation. Now children, coming to b part. B is t minus 7 is greater than 5. Children, here if you look here, I find here that it is greater sign here or smaller sign here, but there is not equal to sign, so this is not an equation. This is not an equation, because children, to have an equation, what is the condition? That it should have both the side, left hand side and right hand side, but there should be equal to sign here, but here there is comparison sign, so this is not an equation. Now coming to C part. Now children, if you look at C part, you find that there is left hand side, there is also right hand side, there is also equal to sign. No doubt this is equation, but this is not an equation with a variable. So we will write here simply that it is a numeric equation. What is this children? Numeric equation, because it does not have a variable in it, and they are telling us to find the equation with a variable. So this is, it is a numeric equation. Now coming to D part. Here 7 into 3 minus 19 is equal to 8. Here again there is left hand side, there is right hand side, there is equal to sign. But can you see a variable in this equation children? No doubt it is an equation, but can you see a variable in it? No. So what type of equation it is children? It is a numeric equation. Numeric equation. Now children, coming to E part. Now here in E part children, you find there is one left hand side here, there is right hand side here, there is equal to sign, and again if you look here, you find a variable in it. So this is an equation. So children, we will write here, this is an equation with variable, because it has variable in it, no? And variable here is x. Okay, now coming to F part. X minus 2 is equal to 0. What is this? Yes, it is an equation. Now we are getting what type, that if it has a left hand side and right hand side, then we can say that it is an equation. So we will write here, this is an equation with variable. And what is variable here? Variable is x. Now coming to g part. Now g part 2m is smaller than 30. Now children, is it an equation? No, because there is comparison sign here in between. So we will write this is not an equation. Now coming to h part. Now children, coming to h part, here the question is 2n plus 1 is equal to 11. Now here there is left hand side, there is right hand side, there is equal to sign in between, and again it is having an variable here. So we will write here this is an equation with variable. Now children, tell me what is the variable here? Variable is n, because n we are seeing here. Now children, coming to I part. Now if you look here, you find that there is again a left hand side, right hand side. No doubt it is an equation because equal to sign is there in between. But tell me whether it is a equation with variable? No, it is a numeric. It is a numeric equation. Now children, coming to J part. Now here again it is an equation. So we will write it is an equation with variable. Isn't it children? Because there is variable in it. And what is the variable here? Variable is P. Now coming to K part. Here 20 is equal to 5y. Again there is left hand side, right hand side is also there. Variable is also there in this equation. So an equal to sign is there. So we will write this is an equation with variable. And what is the variable here? Variable is y. Now coming to the next part. Now here in L part you will see 3q by 2 is smaller than 5. Is this an equation? No, it is not an equation. Why children? Because there is no equal to sign here in this question. Now coming to next part. Now children, in M question you find that there is comparison sign here. So what we will say? This is not an equation. Okay. Now here in N question children, 20 minus 10 minus 5 is equal to 3 into 5. Now here there is no variable here in this equation. So what we will write? This is a numeric equation. No doubt it is an equation, but it is a numeric equation because there is no variable in it. Now coming to the next question, O part. Now here there is left hand side, there is right hand side, there is equal to sign in between. So this is an equation with variable. This is an equation with variable. And children, what is a variable here? Variable is x. Okay. Now children, question number 2 we will see in the next video.